Hello and welcome to this video learning series of AutoCAD. Today we are going to learn how to use the rotate and mirror tools in AutoCAD. So let's get started. I've already drawn these sketches for your reference. Now we want to rotate this line segment. Let's say by an angle of 60 degrees with respect to the positive x-axis. So what we need to do is we need to go to this rotate tool. And this tool is available in the Modify panel of the Home tab. Click on the Rotate tool. Right after you click the Rotate tool, a command line prompts you to select the object that you want to rotate. I want to rotate this line segment, so I will click on it and press Enter. Next, I have to specify the base point. I will click on the start point of this line segment. Now I have to enter the rotation angle value. Now an important thing to notice here is that if I want this line segment to rotate in anti-clockwise direction with respect to the positive x-axis, I will enter a positive rotation value for that. And if I want to rotate this line segment in the clockwise direction, then in that case I need to enter a negative rotation value. Say I want to rotate this line segment by an angle value of 60 degrees. If I type positive 60 degrees in the command line and press Enter, you can see the line gets rotated in the counterclockwise direction with respect to this positive x-axis. Let me undo it. Now I want to rotate this line segment in the clockwise direction. So this time I will enter a negative rotation value. Again, go to the Rotate tool, select this line segment, press Enter, specify the base point. This time enter -60 in the command line as the rotation angle value and press Enter. Now you can see the line is rotated in the clockwise direction. So for anti-clockwise rotations, you need to enter a positive rotation value. And for clockwise rotations, you need to enter negative rotation angle values. Next tool we are going to discuss today is the mirror tool. I've already drawn a sketch for that so that we can understand it in a much better way. You can see a rectangle here and a circle at one of its corners. I want 3 symmetric circles, one here, one here, one here. How can I do that? I can use the mirror tool for that. So click on the mirror tool. It is available right below this rotate tool. So click on it. Right after you click it, the command line prompts you to select the objects that you want to mirror. I want to mirror this circle, so I'll click on it. Next, I'll press Enter. Now the command line says specify first point of mirror line. What is the mirror line? It is the line which will be used as the midplane to mirror this circle. So in our case, I will use the midpoints of these 2 edges of the rectangle to specify the mirror line. So click on this midpoint first. Next, click on this midpoint. You can see a mirrored copy of this circle is created here. Also, the command line says if I want to delete the source object or not. If you want to delete this circle, you can click on the Yes option. And if you don't want to delete this circle, you can go with the No option. I will go with the No option, so I'll press Enter. You can see a mirror copy of this circle is created here. Now this time I will select both the circles. I'll again choose the mirror tool. This time I am going to use the midpoints of these 2 edges as the mirror line. So this is the first point. This is the second point. I don't want to delete the source object, so I will go with the No option. Click on the No option and the mirror is created. So this is how we use the rotate and mirror tools in AutoCAD. Thank you for watching.